People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. Again, second time today. This is the local YouTuber, Sir P. Seat drop. Uncle Sam are going to restrict the exporting of firearms to 36 countries, and Ireland is one of the 36. See the on your screen. Biden administration to implement more sweeping gun export regulations in decades. Regulations. That word is always used as if it's always a good thing. Some regulations make things worse. Because the people who truly have the power and the links don't follow regulations anyway. So regulations only affect normal people. Enough time enough see certain things and jump up and celebrate, and you don't realize you're celebrating your own demise. People are saying, "Yo, yeah man, I say if you go man because they need to ease up the exportation of guns to Ireland because the crime." This is legal gun exports, meaning to gun dealers. This will not affect no crime. This is going to hurt people in Jamaica with licensed firearms and people who want to get licensed firearms. People are celebrating your own demise. You want to know how me know this list of Poppy show? First thing me look for are which country they on the list. The 36 country them. Try to get an idea. See that on your screen, Time magazine. The list of countries deemed high risk includes many where the influx of US made weapons have been linked to widespread violence. Alright, I'm with you so far. Come tell you the most I gun them come from Uncle Sam place. I'm with you. Even the gun them will come from Haiti, then go Haiti no make the gun. Then come from America first, then go Haiti, then from Haiti go America. Or then from Haiti go Jamaica. So Uncle Sam are the source. That's where them come from. Here the list. It includes Vietnam, Jamaica, Indonesia, Pakistan, and enough countries in Central and South America. But the high risk list omits, in other words, them that upon it, been left out, several places where US guns have been tied to violent gangs or human rights violations, such as Mexico, Thailand, the Philippines, and Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Mexico. See, even Time magazine make sure put this in there, you know. Even them confused, you know. Because them say, hold on. You're saying these countries are high risk, so you're going to put them on restrictions. Vietnam and Jamaica. But then, these countries that have been tied to violent gangs and human rights violations, read between the lines now, what the article is saying. Them people are not saying no go Vietnam and Jamaica. Them people are go cut back and gun, them are saying go Vietnam and Jamaica. But them are keep saying enough gun to Mexico and Saudi Arabia, so that can't make sense. This is what they're saying. Read between the lines. They know it can't make sense. They know this is not a logical decision. This is geopolitics at work. Legal gun trade. Gun will sell in a legal gun shop at Jamaica. Now get used to fight in a gang war at Jamaica. A matter of fact, the easiest case for solving Jamaica is a murder will take place with a licensed firearm. Because every licensed gun, right, if you have the ballistics on it, are the easiest case to solve. The guns that are used with 5150, the guns that them use with wrong turn, one order, clans, Janko Nation, those are illegal firearms. Man and man buy them, then use them links and get them in an Ireland. Those are not exported legally by the US government and then sold to 5150. Therefore, restricting that will not deter 5150 or reduce 5150's firepower. This is going to affect the legal gun owners. You people are celebrating your own demise. That means that when the Jamaican gun dealers them get less gun, that means less legal firearms in Ireland, which means less people are going to have access to legal firearms, and the legal firearms already exist in Jamaica are going to increase in price, therefore making it even harder For people who actually can get gun, get it, because now them can get it, but them probably can't even afford it. Legal guns are already expensive. They're going to get even more so. This hurts the legal gun owning Jamaican who wants to defend himself. It doesn't hurt clansman. You think Uncle Sam is stupid? You think they don't know that? People are celebrating your own demise. Yeah man, them to cut back on this and cut back. The price of gun will go up. Remember when there was an ammunition shortage? Shot get dear. Now imagine when there's a gun shortage. People are about to become even more defenseless. I'm not clapping the hands. The exporting of guns legally out of Uncle Sam place to the gun dealers and the Iron Man. Tighter regulations and restrictions on how much go. At Jamaica and Vietnam, now gonna make Jamaica and Vietnam a safer place. And just like the Times article pointed out, if a one place, let's assume say it goes so then. Let's assume, because you know I'm a conspiracy theorist, so let's assume that this is actually being done to save lives and cut down on gang wars. How in the unicorn meat does Mexico stay on the list? Mexico, the home of the Juarez cartel, the home of the Sinaloa cartel. Mexico, the killy them at Tijuana, right? Have more gun than the JDF. That Mexico still up on the list. Saudi Arabia up on the list. Saudi Arabia, my mind Uncle Sam claims to them all about democracy and all them things there. Saudi Arabia have none of that. Still up on the list. How much time man try expose certain things about Saudi Arabian government disappear off the face of the earth. And them say, yeah man, then good man. Everything is geopolitics. In this world you have no friend, but I tell you no. All these people do is try point Jamaica towards some new friends. So them tell us, say, well, America don't like we, but England are our friend. Or them say, well, England don't like we, so Russia are our friend. Or Jamaica has no friends. Just remember when Henry Kissinger said America has no friends, only interests. That is the attitude Jamaica must adopt. Jamaica has no friends, only interests. I can assure you Jamaica have no friends. When countries drop Iron Man and work with Iron Man, they do it out of the name of interest. When you see certain countries linked together, when you see BRICS nations come together, you think because they are friends, you think these countries like each other. It's about interest and furthering my interest. And my enemy's enemy is my friend. This is how geopolitics work, but you people are emotional. So when you get something given for free by Mexico, you said Mexico and Jamaica are now friends. See, they're not like, because one time you beg America for 150 billion and them say no. And then I beg like China and them say yeah. So see, China like us. None of these people like nobody. It's interest. This is going to hurt Jamaica. Less legal guns. And the legal guns in our man already are going to be less available because they're going to be more expensive. This is basic economics. Economics does not care about your feelings. Something is in demand and the supply get tighter, the price will go up. I've been doing the research now. When Jamaica got tight on licensed firearms, afterwards, if you compare the 10 years before and the 10 years after, you see the highest increase in crime took place after Jamaica got real tight on licensed firearms. Oh, that video is coming. That video is coming. That video is coming. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Less.